we are about to show you a video, and this is a sample video which we are recording for your reference. Like these days, we have been doing a lot of online teaching, online coaching. We are recording lectures, uploading on different platforms and sharing with our students. It has come to our notice, and the feedback has been coming that those live lectures or those recorded lectures are not as per your satisfaction. Here is the solution, and which we are doing it from good number of years. We specialize in this only, and we'll provide you a solution which is very easy to install, very easy to run, and very effective, and you're gonna love it. The very first thing what we are using right now is our interactive flat panel, which is in front of you. Second, we are using a very good quality camera, which is again recording me and the interactive flat panel. Third, a very good quality microphone, which will be recording our audio. In detail, I'll explain it later in the video. Let me start over here, which you'll be more interested in. Like fine, these days, beforehand, we make either a PPT or a PDF or a Word file for our classrooms. And here we can just come and we can explain and we can overwrite on it. This is the inbuilt feature of the interactive flat panel, which you might be knowing. So I can overwrite on my application. Here you go. And when I'm done with this slide, I can always go to the next slide, just pressing on it. And okay, I don't want a black color, I need a red color. The thickness was on the higher side. I can go a little bit down, and here it is. Now we are with the red color, and we can explain as we normally do, that whenever we have a PDF, Excel, whatever. So this becomes more explanatory. And just to highlight over here, just not a PDF or a PPT, you could be on a Word, could be on an Excel. Even if you are browsing something from the internet, you can overwrite on that, explain on that. Even if you're running a video, you can just pause it, and you can even write on it. So there you go. Over here we have done with the PDF or a PPT part, but yes, teaching, we do a lot of writing, and just by pressing an icon, I get into a white page. So if you have noticed, I have not minimized anything or maximized anything. Just by pressing on an add-on page, I get into a white page. Till now, I was writing with a finger. You can use this pen also. And the beauty of this pen is when I'm writing on the thinner side, this is thin, and when I take it down, so just these pen has two sides, one is thin, one is thick, and it's sensed automatically, and it's very helpful in writing. So you can have two different colors or the same color. This is one. When this slide is full, I don't have to erase it. I just add a new page, and here it is, and I start writing here, and here I'll increase the thickness a bit. Yes, I'll say a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, and then we have a plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab, and a plus b. As you can see, this will be very clear to you, and this way we can keep on writing. And again, when this slide is full or the page is full, I don't have to erase it. I can go on to a new page. Now here, there's one feature which we have added recently, which was on demand by the faculty. What has been happening, especially with the faculty of maths and chemistry, they used to say that their equation is too lengthy, and they do not want to go to next page. So in this case, we have come up with a feature where this page goes endless. From top to bottom and left to right, this page goes endless, and you can just drag them back whenever you want to, and you can increase or decrease the size also. So this has been added just on the feedback of the faculty. So we take your feedback very seriously. And again, going back to my slide, that was one. I was overwriting on my PPT or PDF. Number of times it has happened, they say, no, I do not want to like write on it. I want this on one side, and I want to explain here. So this is how you want to. So you can do this also. So even if you open up a PPT or a PDF, you can reduce the size and you have a blank screen to write into. So this was, by now you must have got an idea if you're writing or using any kind of an application, Word, Excel, PPT, or you can use that in your live teaching or a recorded lecture. This is really the outcome, whether you're going live or you're going on recorded. Now, as we have so many slides over here, well, this is one way to have a look, or just to show you. And this, we have this kind of a installation, what we do normally. Sorry, I just go back. So we have an n number of installation, and we have clienteles from IITs to NITs, IIMs, universities, state government, central government, private universities, schools. The list is endless. And we'll, if you want, we can send you that list also. And just to show you what we are using, I'll show you now one by one, the important thing. And yeah, interactive flat panel. The panel what we are using right now, which is in front of you, this is of ViewSonic. ViewSonic is a leading brand in USA, and we are glad to share that in India also now we have become #1. It was very recent, and we have proofs also. We can share that with you if you want to. This comes in 3 different sizes: 65 inches, 75 inches, 86 inches, and now even on demand 98 inches also. So we have, so there you go. And this is, this again, one more thing. This is anti-scratch, and it comes with a 7H hardness. So you can be rest assured if it's in your classroom, this is secure enough. If someone wants to scratch it, they cannot. If they want to come and break it, they cannot, unless until it comes a very huge and a big hammer. Otherwise, this is safe altogether. So ViewSonic, whatever feature I was showing it to you, this is a very feature-rich product. I have just shown you the tip of the iceberg. So depending on your requirement and your usage, you can have, you can use all the features or whatever features you want to. We'll be showing it to you while doing the installation or the demo later on. So you can get in touch with us. Second important point, or I'll say rather, equipment over here is this camera. Now, this camera also plays a very big role, because the video quality which you are seeing right now is because of this camera. And this camera, what I want to share is a USB based camera. And what's the advantage over here is this is just plug and play. This is just plug and play. More or less what was happening earlier, and still people don't know, they are just buying normal old cameras. And as we are using these softwares, GoToMeeting or Microsoft Teams or Zoom, they're all computer based. To connect those cameras, we require a very special kind of a capture card or a streamer. Then only a lot of things happens. But here, these are meant for lecture recording. These are meant for live streaming. This is a USB camera which is just recording right now. Connect it to the PC straight away, plug and play, and you're good to go. This is one camera we have. We have a range of camera. This is under ATDSC. Second, this camera, what you see over here, is a tracking camera. We have installed these, but this is required when you are in a very large lecture hall. If you are there, especially like in places like NITs and universities, where the student capacities goes above 150, 200, 250, and they have a huge space to move around. So this camera follows the teacher. So, but in your case, if you're going in for a studio or so, these cameras good enough. And here, when I say studio, what you see right now is my office. And over here, I have not done any special lighting. These are just normal LEDs, what we have on the top. And you can just see the quality of the camera, which is covering me, the IFP all together. So show you, just to tell you that, okay, you don't have to spend extra money on lighting. The camera is very powerful, very good, and very economical also. They'll share the prices when you want to. And it does everything what you're looking forward for. This is a PTZ camera, and you can control it the way you want to. Last but not the least, very importantly, yes, we have a very good collar microphone, which really is required, a good collar microphone, because if what I was speaking is, if it's not recorded clearly and if live lecture has not been heard clearly, everything goes down the drain. So 3 important things: IFP from ViewSonic, camera from ATDSC, a very good quality microphone. 3 things together, and you are ready to go for your online classes or your recorded lectures, whatever you want to. This will make them more effective. If you have any queries, please get in touch with us. We can provide you solution as per your requirement, because we have various solutions with us. This is one of the what you see is one of the way and one of the most popular way, especially in the coaching institutes and schools also. We have other institutions also. Please get in touch with us if you have any queries. Thank you.